Assalamualaikum, my name is Syahrul. I want to talk about introduction. There are two things that we got from our observation. First is the difficulties of customer when they need to find the things in their bag. Second is there are no tables or hard desks in a crowded place, so they can't do their job properly. So we decide to create and design the workstation bag that have chair and table in the bag itself. For problem statement, there are two things we need to take action. First is time, second is place. For the times, we often see adults nowadays busy with their work. They even frustrated when they can't find things in their bag easily. So we design our workstation bag with many pocket so that it can lead user to find their things easily. Second is place. Sometimes there are crowded place like cafe and library, and there are no chair or table because they are already occupied. So we already design our bag with has chair and table itself, so that customer doesn't have to waste their time to find a suitable place to do their job. Our objective is first help user move faster, set up and can do their work within 20 seconds. Second, help user find their things easily. Third, we create a bag that have good and fashionable design. Fourth is we create a bag that have many function like chair and table, so it can help user to do their work more efficiently.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Saiful Ramlan. I will continue the presentation with literature review. Generic ergonomic chair design from the workstation bag and engineering is not a new concept, but various researchers has been conducted several valuable researches on this very important issue. However, there are limited researches have been conducted so far on the chair design and engineering, considering the absolute need and expectation from the user in the outside environment. An ergonomic chair use should contribute toward the user attention and comfortable during the working period. Along the attention and comfortable issue, a poor chair design is also responsible for the problem associated with the user body part, such as ligament, joints, and spine. The benchmarking of this product follow the House of Control or HOQ to make the high quality of product. The pattern of the workstation bag have a new innovation that has portable chair, table, mouse pad, and made up from the lightweight material that can help user perform their work in any type of situation. The combination from the table and chair generate a new idea to create this product.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Zulmi bin Abdul Latif. I will continue this slide presentation with the methodology. First, identify and analyze the problem faced in social to generate the idea to be the solution of the problem. Next, through idea screening and scoring, the selected idea is sketched in detail based on the survey about customers' demand. Based on the questionnaire and house of quality, a morphological chart is created to satisfy the customer's requirement. The conceptual design that forms from morphological chart is screened and scored to choose the best conceptual design for further development. After that, the selected design is analyzed through the techniques designed for environment to identify the environmental impact of product. The MFA is applied to reduce the part and cost that used in the design. The manufacturing process is also identified to create the design successful. After that, the product will be tested by the recruit participant to ensure that the product has a high quality and functional. Next, The ergonomic analysis is applied to analyze the detailed information of the design. Lastly, the design of the product is refined into a better concept design of product until it's satisfied.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Solihin bin Maliki. Now I would like to share the result of final report for our workstation bag. First is about customer requirement. We have 5 customer requirement, that is lightweight, water resistant, durable, easy to set up and comfortable. All of these customer requirement is very important for us to make our workstation bag become more useful. For house of quality, this method we use to combine all the customer feedback that we get. For the CAD design, there are 3 main parts, that is chair, table and bag handle. For the life cycle thinking, the drawing will show us about the process from the beginning until the ending. For the eco indicator, the highest indicator means the goodness of for the environment. So we have 3 main important, that is process, use and disposal. Dewey's method table will be our reference to get the total assembly time, rate of labor and design efficiency. And lastly is cost estimation. Bill of material will be our reference to get the total cost for this workstation bag.
Discussion and conclusion. For the discussion part of the product, we use the concept screening and scoring method. Firstly, we make a morphological chart to get the rough view of the current product in the industry. Secondly, we make a concept evaluation for each of our product design. Moreover, we construct a concept screening table for the selected product design. And lastly, we create a concept scoring table for the final product design. This is our example of concept screening table. And this is our example of concept scoring table. The limitation or challenges in developing this product is there are many existing products in the market. Besides that, we must decide the product concept. Moreover, we must use the best material selection for the product. And lastly, we must consider the ergonomic principle for the product. As for conclusion, a design for the proposed product is successfully created using techniques in product design and manufacturing. There are 3 methods have been used to identify and analyze the ecological impact of the proposed product. And lastly, the design for environment has taught us the importance of designing a product that produces less impact to the environment. Thank you.